DJ. I've been a creator all my life.
Hey guys, it's Krystal Lora.
Hey, Internet. It's me.
I'm a YouTuber and motivational speaker.
I'm Nigel Sylvester. I'm a professional BMX athlete.
My name is Mike Labelle and I'm the creator. Give yourself an attempt, a real attempt.
That's a sign that you need to take a step back.
If I only had one video left to create, what am I gonna say?
I learned very quickly about the power of no.
Every now and then, a video is bound to underperform.
You're gonna improve, grow, get better over time, which ultimately is the goal.